Okay, so we'll start it. So how many people understood yesterday class? Any doubts from yesterday class? Or you have not understood? Okay. If you are having any questions, you can ask till the other members join. So we can just have this 5 to 10 minutes session. If you're not understanding in any point, we can discuss on that. Okay, later we can directly do. So do you want to understand about digital marketing introduction, or shall I take you through the UI of Google Ads and what you're going to learn from Google Ads and everything? Which one you want? Anyone can answer. Do you people need the introduction classes only, basics, or are you interested to see the UI, how the Google UI looks, how you will create campaigns? I'm not getting any answer from anyone. If not, then I will take you through the introduction, okay, completion. So after that, I will show you the UI, how the UI looks like. Okay, I'll tell the introduction once again. So can anyone see my screen?
Sir,
What you're able to see here?
marketing overview, digital marketing overview.
Okay, so yesterday till here we have discussed. Okay, so now what I'll do is like remaining slides I will just tell you, and after that I will take you through how the UI looks. Okay, what you can do from the UI. Okay, how you can run campaigns and everything. Okay, so from Monday onwards you'll be getting the classes on SEO. Okay, and now we'll say what is search engine optimization. As I said before, do anyone have the knowledge on SEO or any idea on SEO? మనం స్టార్టింగ్ లో చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఎవరికైనా గుర్తుంది SEO అంటే ఏంటో?
వెబ్సైట్ పేజ్ మీద దాన్ని ర్యాంకింగ్స్ కానీ గూగుల్ అయినా అన్నీ చేసేది, ఎంతమంది చూసారు ఏం చూసారు అన్నీ చూడ్డాన్ని SEO అంటారు.
పర్ఫెక్ట్, గుడ్. ఇంకా ఎనీవన్ అదర్ దెన్ దట్? So for you people, I have opened so many tabs so that you will get more clarity. I just want to show the UI also for you so that it will make interesting for you, because only having the theoretical will make you dull, right? Lack of interest. So what is happening, like some people are living in between, they don't understand the importance of that. So I will just take you through the UI also so that you will get more interest. Okay. So basically, what is the definition of SEO? Okay, SEO means search engine optimization. It is the process of getting traffic from the free, organic, or natural listing on search engine. Okay, so there are so many search engines out there. Can anyone say examples of search engines? Any search engine which you know? First of all, do you know what do you mean by search engine?
Chrome, Google.
Yeah. So everyone knows what do you mean by search engine?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by search engine? So everyone uses Google search, right? If you need any information related to, you use Google search engine, right? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
See, there are a lot of search engines out there. All major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing have such results where web pages and other content such as videos or local listings are shown and ranked based on what the search engine considers most relevant to users. Payment is not involved as it is with paid search. The thing is like, so if you want to search any item, okay, anything, what you have to do? You have to go and search. For example, if you want to have a phone number, okay, so what you will do? Not online, offline. If you want to identify a phone number, what you will do? Have you people heard about telephone directory?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes,
knows
sir.
telephone directory.
Yes, sir.
See, if you want to know some phone number, you will go to telephone directory and you will check everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it is listed in the telephone directory, then you are getting the information. Simple. Okay. So as it is already listed in the telephone directory, if you search in the telephone directory, you will get it. Right. So in the same way, whichever business you want to do, you have to list your business on an online platform. Okay. So search engine, Google search engine is like a telephone directory for you for any information. There are a lot of search engines out there. Like Google search engine, mostly people use in India is Google. When it comes to US, it is Bing. Okay. And Yahoo, everyone knows, right? How many people will be searching? Yahoo, Firefox, okay, DuckDuckGo. Like that, there are n number of search engines out there. See, if anyone have any questions, right, just ask me directly because to navigate to the chat box, it is difficult. Okay. Anything is it, just type me. Uh, Stay on the call itself. Okay. So these all search engines. So in this image, you can see it, right? So whatever search engines are there completely, we will get that listings from that. And if you search any data on online on any such platform, you'll get it. Because SEO helps for free and organic. Okay, it is not a paid one. If you want to get a paid result, that goes under PPC, pay per click. Okay. How many people know what do you mean by PPC? How many people know about PPC, pay per click? Because in the first class or second class also I have said what do you mean by PPC, pay per click. Do anyone remember or forgotten now?
ఒక యాడ్ ని మనము ఒక బడ్డింగ్ లో పెడితే ఆ క్లిక్స్ బట్టి మనకి బడ్డింగ్ కట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్.
Bidding. Good answer. ఏంటంటే already said, right? So if your business, you started a business now only, okay, and you want to show your results when someone is searching, okay. For example, if you take bus ticket booking, okay. So basically, if you go in search and search like bus tickets from Hyderabad to Delhi or Hyderabad to Visakhapatnam or Hyderabad to Vijayawada, any place. Okay. When you search that, what will be the first result you're going to see? As everyone has tried, right? Or not tried? You can see my screen, right?
ఎస్ సార్.
See, now I'm just trying to do bus booking. Okay. Bus booking online, I'll just keep it. Now you can see the listings here, right? When you see here, the first one, second one, and third one, these three are showing as AD, right? These are pay-per-click ads, which is called as paid media, okay? Paid ads. And after that, you can see here again, okay, there is no symbol of AD ad, okay? These are called as organic listings. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so on top it will be 4 paid one, and on the bottom it will be 3. Okay, and whatever comes in between was such, okay, organic one. Previously this used to be on top, organic used to be on top. Okay, so, but ads should are on the bottom. Okay, what is happening here? If the ads in that bottom right, the advertisers are not getting the vision, like visibility. Okay, for example, I started a new digital marketing class. Okay, I want to show my thing on top. Okay, when only organic is coming, however you do it, only the organic listings will only come on top. Okay, because Redbus is doing good SEO, it is coming in the organic first place. Okay, second place is coming for Make Pet Trip. Third, Go Ibibo. Fourth, Abibus, Paytm, Ixigo, Yatra, TSRTC. So what you feel is like RTC online should come on top, right? Basically, as it is a government side. As it is weak in SEO, okay, it is not coming on top. Okay, so what TSRTC will try to do, it tries to do paid promotion. So once they do the paid promotions, it come on top. For example, here you can see Abibus on top, right? Redbus and Go IBO. Even Redbus is there on top in organic. See, this search is related to my location, current location. If you people try, this position will be different again. Okay. So what Abibus has thought, like, see, when it is coming for organic, it is standing in the 4th place as per my location. Okay, so it felt that so it should come on top, because if you want to book a ticket, whatever is there on top, you have the intention to click on the top one, right? Top 1, 2, or 3, not more than that. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Abibus started doing paid promotion also, so that it can be on the top. See, as an user, even till the time I said this is an ad, you people also don't know, right? You'll just type bus booking online or bus booking anything. Immediately, whatever comes on top, you'll try to click on it, right? If I click on this ad, what happens? I'm clicking on this ad. See, on the top, you can see one URL, right? Complete URL. You're able to see here the complete URL.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just remember this, okay? Complete URL. Now, Abibus, we clicked on it. We got this one, okay? Let's go to organic of Abibus, where it is. Here it is there, okay? I'm clicking on this also. Now you see, after typing what you got it, abibus.com, right? URL.
Yes, sir.
And if you see here, abibus.com or mobile UTM source code, okay? This is through Google Ads, okay? So this click came from Google Ad. This is how Abibus will track it. Okay. So how the user came to this page. Okay. And it will see cost per click and campaign name. Okay. When we say campaign name, I will tell you how to create a campaign. So what was the campaign name? Popular routes. Okay. And under what it was grouped as, ad group name is given, and keywords were given, the term of the keyword which was used. Okay. And here is the code for that. Okay. And this is the target device. Everything will be there in this code itself. So that, as I said yesterday, we can track from where the source came. Okay. If someone is coming to my website, this website, They will know it. So through which campaign they came, okay, either from Google ads, either from Facebook ads or some other ads, okay. So they will have that visibility. Based on this, they'll do the return on investment. What do you mean by ROAS? ROAS. Do anyone remember that? ROAS? No.
Return on ad spend.
Return on ad spent.
Okay. Sure. What about others?
Return on ad spent.
I told it's a mantra, okay? Because you will get more questions on that. They will ask this question multiple times. Can you just tell what you mean by ROAS? Right? Okay, no problem. So now they will understand it. So now you understood, right? What is organic and what is paid? See, in organic, you get just directly landed with your URL. But when it comes to paid, you'll have all this code. Now, if you search for anything, right, that this code will go now, complete code. Okay. So this is how people will want to come on top. Abibus want to come on top as it is weak in SEO. It is on the bottom. So Abibus people thought that we have to do paid promotions. So after doing paid promotions, it came on top. Okay. If I again refresh it, instead of Abibus, one more bus will come. Okay. Just see. Every time this ad is showing red, advertiser, some amount will get deducted. It depends from 1 rupee to 1,000 rupees also. Okay, it is based on bidding, you know, right? RTP yesterday I said, na, real time bidding. So whichever advertiser is there, whoever gives, their ad will be shown. Red bus. See, Abhi now red bus came. Okay, Abhi bus. Go because Abhi bus has felt that this user I already used 2 times, so it don't want to waste that money, so it went to lower side. Okay, even if you want to show your ad, whether your ad has to be on top or middle or bottom or anywhere on this listing, or else on the bottom also it will be there. Okay, it depends upon competition, how many competitors are there. Okay, that thing I will explain how you can do it. So far you understood, right? What do you mean by listings?
Yes, sir.
Organic, what is organic, what is paid? If I go here, again I have to open Bing. Okay. So let me search in Bing also. Okay. This is Bing search engine. Now I will try to do plus cookie. Okay. So this search engine, you can take it, right? This give organic result directly, not a paid one. Abibus. So these people, whoever the digital marketers are involved, they're doing more organic in Bing. See, they are even trying on Google Ads also, Google also. But the thing is, like, Google is having more competition rather than Bing in India. Okay, but when it comes to US and foreign countries, Bing plays a major role. Okay, it's a major search engine for them. And if you come down, you can see the ads also. Okay, now as of now, they're not showing the ads. But if any ad comes, right, it will be on the top. Now you're getting it, right? This is doing the good SEO. That is the reason now Abibus is coming here. But when we see in Google search engine, Redbus is on top. Okay. Any such other search engine? Shall we try, or you'll try at home once again? So that you'll understand, okay, if the SEO is good, then only this will come on top. So if this is not coming on top, now if you see, what do you call Exigo is there, it want to come on top, then what it will do, then it will start doing more listings. Okay, so what do you mean by listings and all the things? On Monday class you can understand it. Okay, just keep in your mind. Okay, if he's asking any questions, you can say this. Okay, And after that, this is what, okay, the paid one will be on top, organic will be on the bottom. Okay, after the 4 ads. What is pay-per-click? Okay, pay-per-click definition is, it is a type of sponsored online advertising that is used wide range of website. As I said, see, if you're not able to get your business on top through organic, you have to go for paid. Okay, previously on Google we used to get more organic. Now what happened? Everything become commercialized. Okay, so how Google can make more money? Through ads, right? Even Facebook, every platform makes money through ads only. Anyone has any doubt here? See, what are the advantages of this paid ads? Okay, it is very fast because I started my business today or yesterday. So I want my ads to show to the people. So immediately I can do it. But when it comes to SEO, you can't do it immediately. It takes time. Okay, because your search results has to be understood by the system. So for doing that, lot of things are there. And get targeted visitors within hours, sometimes minutes also. Okay, if the campaign goes live immediately, then people can see the ad immediately. Okay, can yield high profitable results. Profitable results means it is just return on return on ad spend. So how much of money I'm spending, how many of tickets got sold out. So based on that, they will calculate the ROAS and they'll tell, okay, giving promotion Google is giving good benefit for me. Okay, that is how they will calculate it. So great testing platform and can highly targeted. So any time of day. Okay, so when it is coming organic, right, it will come any point of time. But here, in terms of paid, you can just decide at what time your ad has to be shown, in which place your ad has to be shown, and when your ad should be triggered. Okay, that means with what keyword. So if someone is trying some other keyword, whether for that keyword your ad should come or not, also we can decide it. And immediate feedback. Okay. And what are the disadvantages? Can anyone say disadvantages? Can anyone give just a try? What can be the disadvantages of paid advertising? Can anyone try at least? No?
సార్ వాళ్ళు క్లిక్ చేసి మన సైట్ కి రాకుండా మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళిపోతే అదొక డిసడ్వాంటేజ్.
Perfect. Super answer. Any other one can try? Okay, no problem. I will tell you. See, there is no guarantee. See, after clicking on that, see, right now I just clicked on the ad called as Abibus, right? Have I made a purchase of the ticket? No, right? I clicked on the ad and I went to the page, but I have not made any purchase on the ticket. Okay. So it doesn't mean that if you're showing an ad, it will go as a conversion. Okay. After clicking your ad, don't expect that that will turn out to a conversion. Okay. There is no guarantee in that. And next, heavy competition. Right now, the competition is between Abibus, GoIPGo, right, and Redbus. So there's a lot of competition is there. What happens, for example, now what you do based on the Abibus, I booked it because it is even showing 500 rupees as a coupon, right? Everyone has seen that, right?
Yes,
Here
sir.
we have coupons here, 250 is there. Okay, this is for organic. Okay, when we came organic, these coupons were there, but when you came with paid advertising, right, see, this was there, coupon 500. Okay, this one was organic. When it comes to organic result, the coupon was different, but this coupon we came here through an ad, right? Here, if you remember yesterday we have said about this, what type of is this? Can anyone remember? Just to create interest for the your user engagement. Okay, what makes the user to click on the ad? The discounts, right? So if you're coming with this ad, you're getting 500 rupees coupon, and if you're going organically, you're getting this much. Okay, but at least if you're coming to this website, okay, what happens, Abibus, once you book the ticket, it will not give 500 completely, okay, or 250 at this one, okay. Out of 250, it will be, you can redeem only 50 rupees, and remaining amount will be used for later on, okay. It will says that it will be in the wallet, okay. The reason is it want its users, okay, to book tickets from their platform only. Okay, if you're having discount coupons in your wallet, what you'll do, instead of going to Redbus or GoIBO, you'll go here only, right? You'll use this platform. So just to retain the customers with them, they will give these coupons and wallet. Okay, has anyone got this? Has anyone booked tickets? Abibus or Redbus, GoIBO?
Red bus, sir.
So you'll get wallet coins, right? So that you can use it
Yes, sir.
whenever you want to book a ticket. You can use it. Okay, that is only for to retain you. Okay, once you start booking a ticket like that for 3 or 4 times, if the service of the is good, then next time you will not go to any other bus service. You will directly go and type Abibus. Okay, same with case of other competitors also. Okay, so whatever here we are getting, right, that is called as acquisition cost. So for example, now I clicked on this ad. So the ad cost, you don't know whether it is 300 rupees, 400 rupees for the click. Okay, 300 or 400. But after going there, I booked a ticket. Okay, so how the advertiser thinks, like advertiser means, do you know what do you mean by advertiser? Everyone knows who is an advertiser? Yes, no. I'll just show. See,
Yes, sir.
this is the platform, one of the platform. I will tell you how we'll run ads simply. Okay, how much low we can run, and out of that also how many clicks I can generate. Okay, this is only for just for your information. Okay, so that you will get more interest of doing these ads. Okay, I will explain you once we'll complete this presentation. Okay, and coming to here, you pay regardless of any sale. As I said before, competition keywords are very high to bid, restricted to text and images ad. Traffic stops when you stop paying. See, if you don't pay for Google, okay, platform, it will not show the ads, right? But when it comes to organic, it is not like that. There is no need to pay. You do the best SEO, right? Every time you search it, your results will come. But in terms of paid advertising, it is not like that. If the account balance got exhausted, then again you have to recharge it. And SMM, everyone you know, right? Social media marketing. And as we discussed in the first class, right? So these are the platforms. The social media is a social instrument of communication. But on social media, you people are top, right? Everyone is on top or not? Minimum 4 hours. Right? What are the advantages? See, targeting the traffic is high. Okay, high return on investment, because through Facebook ads, people will see the image, they click, they'll take action immediately. Okay, and does not require specialization or vast technical skills. If you want to run Facebook ads, uh, Facebook ads, there is no need for you to take more tension. Okay, it is easy for you people to get your ads to run there. I will tell you why it happens. Okay, then ability to go viral, therefore high visibility. So if more clicks are coming on your ad, okay, that will boost the search for everyone. Okay, it will show that category to most of the users who are interested to that, which are called as look like audience. Okay, that will be explained later. And it is cost effective, one time and effortless. Same, even Google also same one time, here also one time. But the thing is, like, it depends upon how the users are interacting with your product. And what are the disadvantages? These also have disadvantages similar to Google itself. Okay, more time consuming than SEO and PPC. Okay. The thing is like, if you're keeping a post on social media, there are chances are there people to accept it or not to accept, right? If the post gets viral, immediately it will go to larger people. If it is not viral, right, it takes more time than S1 PPC. Okay, no short-term ROI. You can't expect return on investment short-term. Everything is public. Okay, ineffective use equals to brand credibility loss. See, you people are very good. You spend 4 hours of your time. Okay, when you're spending your time, if you're not promoting your brand in the right way, okay, you will lose the credibility. Okay, you will say that okay, this is having an offer, but once you go and see that landing page, the offer is not there. Okay, what you will say? So you will tie up with an advertiser. Advertiser says that, madam, just keep a post on our company so that we'll give you some X amount. Okay, they will give you at least 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh to you, and they will ask to post their advertisement. So what you will think? Okay, I'm getting good money. I'm getting 5,000. So you will post it on your page. Okay, the post shows that you will get cashbacks, high cashbacks, something, something. Okay, but when the user goes to the website, when he want to make the purchase, something, right, he is not able to get anything there. Okay, or he is not able to see anything there. So what happens then? Those person will think, okay, this lady, whichever given the post, na, this is not a authentic information. This is a paid promotion she has done, right? So based on that, you lose your credibility. So how you are going to calculate your money? Okay, there are many tools. These tools, if I tell you now, you'll get bored. I will tell you in the later thing. Okay. So this is all about this. These were discussed in the starting of the class. Now I will just try to show you how the UI looks, how you can do the best things out of it. Okay. How has digital marketing evolved over years? Okay, this you should people know. Back in the days, it was all about build a website, build links, build more links, and build even more backlinks. Okay, this happens to SEO. Hope it shows up in Google someday. Okay. Hope it display on the results page when the right keyword. Okay, it was like fishing and hoping you will catch, you can get all. Okay, so with this SEO PPC was born. So in SEO you can't do it, right, till the time you get the best effective, you can't do anything. So PPC came into picture. For PPC there is no need to wait, your ad will be shown immediately. Okay, so it is all building on your keywords. So what are those keywords? Why you should use all the things also I will explain you here. Let's take an example of the UI. If you know the UI, then you'll get to understand. So this is how an UI looks like. Okay. Has anyone tried any time regarding this Google Ads? Has anyone has an account in Google Ads? Anyone?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir.
No? Let's speak out. No, no issues.
No, sir.
Okay. So are you excited to see how Google UI looks and how we can do and all the things? Or not excited? If you feel excited, just type S. I want to see how many people are interested to know the UI, how you can earn money. So for earning money, everyone is interested, right?
Yes, sir.
Then keep S. I'll see all 2 members, Alia Khan and Banushri. So remaining are not interested. Pinky, yes. Yes. 5 members, 6 members. Out of 21 members, not even 50% has showed interest for earning money. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, this is the UI of Google Ads. Okay, so for creating that, right, you should know one thing. Whatever business you are having, you have to create an account based on your business. Okay, once you create your website, okay, so most of the time, how you create a website? How you develop a website? You'll give instruction to a website developer and you'll ask them to create it, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
When you are creating a website, right, then you will even register for Google Ads, right? When you want to have a Google Ads, the main prerequisite is you should have a Google account ID, email ID. Okay, not only Google. Okay, even if it is different, also not an issue because we can create accounts using other alternate email IDs also. Okay, so once you create that, right, for every Gmail account, okay, if you are having a Gmail account, to that Gmail account, all the Google products are linked to it. Okay, there is no need for you to take any extra efforts. So you all people know, right, what are Google products? How many people know what are Google products? How many Google products are there? See, these all are your Google products. Okay, once you are having a
Google
single,
Pay.
Hmm?
Google products you ask, no, sir?
Yeah,
Like Google Pay, contacts, Google Maps, Gmail, Google Drive.
Drive.
yes. See, with a single email, you have access to all these products. Okay, if you want to see here, I'll just elaborating it to you. Okay, once you create a Gmail ID, okay, once a Gmail ID is created, then you will have access to all their products. Okay, most of the people are Google search engine, Google Chrome, Google email ID. Okay, like that, they have lot of apps are there. Okay, so you get activity for all those things. What are all those things? These are all for you. Okay, how many people have used at least 5 to 10 of these products? How many people have used these products? For sure, 99, 100% of people use Gmail, right? And 99% people will, 100% of people will be using Chrome also,
Yes, sir.
Drive also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the products. Once you create one Gmail ID, for that email ID, these all will be linked. Okay, so now we want to create a Google Ads account also. Okay, that will also will have it. So just go to Google Ads and then you give your email ID. Once you give your email ID, right, immediately you'll get an ID like this. On top you can see, right, this is called as customer identification number. Okay, this will be your customer identification. Whenever you have any issues on Google, so whenever you're reaching your tool support, you have to say this number. Okay, so based on this number, they will check into it, the issues and everything, they clarify it. Okay, so this is how an UI looks like. Okay, but here already I just ran few campaigns. Okay, this is one of my client's website. Okay, client's login ID. Okay, I just took those logins just to explain you people how it looks like. So when we create it, right, I will tell you what to create, how to create, and all the things. Okay, so this is the client's website. So are you able to see this thing?
Yes, sir.
What is the website name?
Yes, sir.
My testmate.
Yeah, this is helpful for college students. Okay, so if you go and see, there are a lot of platforms which are highly paid. Okay, so you are preparing for a government exam. Okay, you will prepare, but you don't know where you have to give a test, right? So if you want to try such things, right, this is one of the platform. Okay, you have prepared for a bank exam or you prepared for any government exam. Okay, so you want to give a test. Okay, for example, someone has prepared for bank exams and he want to try for a bank exam, and the same person again tries to give UPSC exam also. Okay, and the person is using some website, and if you go for UPS also, that website, in that website, that information will not be there. But this client, what he has done, he has given all the exams, not one or two. When it comes to defense and police, so these all are the states. Okay, each per every state. Okay, what are the exams are there in the category of defense? So when it comes to engineering entrance, if you click on engineering entrance, so engineering all India, so which test you want to give? Okay. Has anyone given any of this test here? Any test in this? Yes, no. So I think most of the members have given MCET, right? At least. So here in this website, every exam is there. Every exam. If you want to see, for example, if you are preparing for MCET, okay, you are reading so many things and you want to give an exam mock test, okay. So if you go to this website, we will have so many tests here, okay, based on sections, what type of things you want, okay, what type of exams you want, everything will be here. In this test, the beauty is like if you want to utilize it, okay, one or two papers will be free for you, and remaining papers you have to pay for it. It's a subscription model. Subscription means if you pay 199 rupees, you can write all these exams. You can try all these exams. Okay, multiple exams you can give online. Okay, still 30 days you have access to all these things. Okay, and if you want to have for 1 year, if you pay for 699, you have access to all these exams. Okay, so how many exams are there? See, almost all the exams are there. If you go to any other competitors, right, he is going to only charge for PS MSET exam. It's a different package. BR, that is a different package. BitSet, that is a different package. But here, this publisher has given everything for free, almost all. You can consider it as free only, because you'll not get anything from 699, right? But for 699, you're getting all these exam papers. Every exam again will have n number of multiple tests. So if you want to check that, you can check here. Okay, almost 36 tests are available, and till now these many tests were taken, and how many students? 65,000 people have tried it. Okay, so this is how this website works. So any exam, whatever exam you want, you can just go there. You can search it, law, civil services, UPSC exams, everything is there. Banking exams is there. So this client has reached out to me asking me, can you just promote my website? I want to see how much I can do. Okay, how much of results I can generate through paid. Okay. So I said, okay, let's try it for them. So because he tried with other agencies and he wasted a lot of money, I told him, don't even spend some time money in that. I will try to do and I'll show you the results. So once you get the results, then you can take. Okay. So here what happens for me, I can use this as my freelancing work. How much time it will take for me to earn? It just takes me 30 minutes per day, okay, or just 6 hours to 8 hours per month. Okay, it depends upon how you set up the campaigns, how you are generating good results. Okay, so I can just make some X amount from this client. Okay, I can show him the best results, like people are getting enrolled. Once people are getting enrolled, so I can ask, like, every month I'm going to charge you 30,000 for my services. That's it. And in addition to that, we have sponsored amount, because if you're running Google Ads, you have to spend money. Okay, so if you want to spend money, you have to load it in the billing section. You will have. Okay, so you have to load your money here. You have to give your credit card, debit card. Okay, any platforms will work. So I have tested this long back. Okay, so I just told him, like, let me show you the results, then you can know. Okay, so he has given me some numbers. Okay, and he spent almost 30,000 out of it. So everyone able to understand it, or shall I tell you in Telugu? Is everyone able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall I tell in Telugu also?
Sir.
Understand, sir.
Understand? Good. So stop me if you are not able to understand anything. Okay, immediately you can ask me if you are not able to understand. So I told him, okay, sir, let's give. I myself will invest you 500 rupees to advertise your product. Okay, and I'll show you the result of what you have given to some other agency, because he has spent around 30,000, but he hadn't got any result. So I have asked him what is the results. So he has given me some numbers. So I told these numbers I can achieve with a lesser amount also, but I don't want to say anything because it's a professional thing, right? Because if it is an agency, what happens in an agency? Agency will be having a lot of cost. Maintenance cost will be there. Okay, resource cost will be there. Salaries will be there, right? So to maintain all those things, they will charge 30,000. Okay. For me, nothing is there, right? What I have to invest? I have to invest only my time. Okay, because I already have my own laptop. That is enough for me. Okay. With a normal laptop or a desktop, you people also can earn money simply. Okay. If you have a good internet connectivity and a good laptop or a good desktop, you can earn money. How you can bring clients for yourself is that something I will tell at the end of the class. Okay, not now, but still I will tell few things like, so until unless you prove yourself, okay, in this competition world, no one will come to you. Yes or no? If you feel yes, type yes. ఏంటంటే ఈ పోటీ ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరు మన దగ్గరికి రారు అంటిల్ అన్లెస్ యూ గెట్ సమ్ బ్రాండ్ ఆర్ యూ గెట్ సమ్ గుడ్ విల్. Till you have a good brand, you will not go right anywhere. So for generating the brand, people are spending in crores. Okay, not 1 rupee, 2 rupees, or 1 lakh, 10 lakh. They are spending in crores. Okay, if possibility is there, I will check with my client and I'll show you their accounts also, where I am spending around 30 crores for one of my client. It's an yearly budget for them. Is it? Okay, they are from US. So it's a US client. He is spending around 30 crores per month. So if he's spending 30 crores per month, so what will be his investment per month? What will be his media plan? How much he's spending on an average per month? Can anyone say? If an advertiser is spending 30 crores per year, what was his investment cost per month? See, this is an interview question I'm asking you. This is how the interviewer will ask you. Return on investment. Yesterday we have given some examples, right? There you people have said the correct answers. No idea?
2.5, sir. 2.5 crores.
2.5
crores.
crores. What about others? Simple, yeah. 30 crores divided by 12. Simple maths. This is what comes under media planning. So yesterday I think I have discussed, right? Yesterday, day before yesterday, I discussed about media planning. So in the media planning, we have to give that to the client. So if client is saying that I want to spend 30 crores, just give me a media plan. Then as a digital marketer, you have to give him, you have to calculate that, and you can say that, okay, out of 30 crores, we'll ask the client which platform you are interested to use. Only Google ads or Facebook ads, Instagram ads, okay, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, and all the things. So if he confirms what all platforms, you have to take all the platforms. So for example, if you're right now, if you are taking only Google ads, it is coming around 2.5 crores, right? So if I include Facebook ads also, then how much will come around? Half of it, right? 2.5 means 1.2 or 1.3. Okay, on 1.2 crores on Google ads and 1.2 on Facebook ads. If I again still dig into, like, I want to use for Facebook ads as well as Instagram ads, so the budget will increase like 80 lakhs for Google and 1 lakh 40 for Facebook and Instagram. And again, if he says Twitter also, again you have to divide it. So that is how a digital marketer has to make his media plan. So how much of amount is invested or how much of amount you are spending on a platform. Okay. So if you give the clarity to the advertiser, then he is ready to invest that amount. So till now, are you able to understand anything? Yes, no. Okay, so for this client, I said I will just show you the results just for 500. Just have a look on that, and based on that, you can take another decision. Okay, so this is having a very good value website. Okay, but they are not knowing the value of the website. But now, if you can see, almost 20,000 users were enrolled for this, almost 4 lakhs plus questions attempted, almost these many of exams were given, and these many tests were taken. Okay, so now whatever I have run is just only for 500 rupees. I have run a campaign. Okay, and out of 500 rupees, 428, and remaining amount is where it has gone. Can anyone tell? GST. Okay, so if I'm using 500, the remaining amount which was left over, that was directed as GST amount. So out of 500, I can spend only 424 rupees, and remaining went to GST. So okay, so out of 500, how many impressions I have delivered? 1,94,114. Okay, and out of it, 363 clicks came. Okay, 363 clicks. So average cost of each click is coming around 1.1 rupee 70 paisa. Okay. So can anyone tell what is the return on investment here? Any guesses? What is the return on investment? What is the ROAS here?
1.17, sir.
What? No, this is average cost you are saying. Okay, no problem. This max I will again tell you later. The thing is like now if I want to see 363 clicks came, okay, out of 428. Okay, if you want to calculate ROAS, return on investment spend, we should know how many conversions has happened. Okay, I have not implemented the conversion tag here. The reason is because I'm just testing. Okay, I want to just show the results to the client. Okay, so I have not clicked it, even though if 363 people have clicked on the ad and went to the website. Okay, after going to the website, okay, for example, here I am taking IT placements. Okay, everyone is interested for top companies. Okay, so what are the top companies? Here the all these top companies are there. So as you people are also interested for digital marketing, most of the people will go and search for Google ads. Okay, Google test papers. The thing is like once you prepare for this, it is easy for you to go and give the interview and to crack the interview. So here, this test is given as for free. Okay, if you find this test is good, then anyhow you're going to purchase it, right? So even if you want to purchase, what is the cost here? Okay, 365 rupees. Okay, just to think that the person is only going for 1 month. He's spending 199. Okay, I'm going in the worst conditions, 199, or else here he is having papers costing around 99 rupees also. Okay, 30 days 99 government package. I will click on it. Okay, here we have to do it, but this package he is getting for 99 rupees. So when I'm getting for 99 rupees, that package, if person is clicking on it, out of 366 clicks, okay, just calculate. I'm just taking calculator. Out of 363. Okay. Are you able to understand or not? Everyone? $363. Okay. I just want to take only 50. Okay. Out of 366 clicks, only 20 members have enrolled it. Purchase 99 rupees. Just take 20 members into 99 rupees. I'm taking the least one. Okay. You are getting around 1980 rupees. Right. So you spent 424 rupees and taking the worst conditions as only 20 people have enrolled, you got 198. So based on this, the return on investment will be high for you. Okay. It's triple the time of what you have invested. Right. So I'm just taking it only 20 out of 363. If I just take at least 63, okay, out of that 63 people have taken it. Instead of 99, I will just take 199 one. If I take 199 one, it is 12,537. Okay. So just for 500 rupees, you are able to make, client is able to make 12,000. So what happens? The client will show interest on you more. Okay, he'll tell, okay, even if it is getting 1,000 rupees, if he's spending 500, if he's getting 1,000, he will be happy. Okay, the reason is once a person or student tries that exam, okay, and he wants to enroll for other exams also. He want to take one exam and after that he will think he want to do another exam. Okay, the student is not restricting to only one purchase. He's going for 2 or 3 also. So if it is happening, it is a good side for the client, right? That is how you can make also money. So you have to explain that. So you can check it. As I'm an expert in this, I gave you a result for 500 rupees itself, 363 clicks. Okay. If you go to an agency only for getting these many clicks, they will charge around 20,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So here also, as a freelancer, what you will do? You will also are charging 30,000, right? 20,000 and 30,000. When you are charging 20,000 and 30,000, and in addition to that, how much of amount you are spending, and how much of clicks you are generating, or how many of conversion you are doing, that plays a major role. Okay. As here it is 500, I'm showing as 1,200, but for running that, at least you will charge some amount, right? So now we have to show the ROAS, return on ad spend. I spent 10,000 on ads. How much I'm generating out of it? Okay, that is more important. So you people have to understand those values and you have to work hard to get it. So what all things I can do to decrease the average cost, to decrease the cost per click, okay, to increase the clicks, what type of ad copies you have to do and all the things. Okay. Is it interesting or not?
Yes, sir, it's interesting.
Okay. So this is how you make money through Google Ads. Okay. In addition to that, how you make money from Facebook ads and Instagram ads also, I will explain you. So are you people interested to learn that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for learning that, there is a condition is there. Okay. Next 2 weeks will be more crucial for you. Okay. One is SEO, other one is Facebook and Instagram ads. If you learn that with 100% of attention, right, then only it will be helpful for you people to earn money from that. See, simply now I can show you it's a small ad creation. It takes for me to create this campaigns. It takes not hardly more than 1 hour. Okay. So with 1 hour, I can create the campaigns and daily I will go and check it. So how much of amount is getting spent, what I have to do for that to decrease that only. Okay. Max to max, I'll spend only 10 to 20 minutes per day. Okay. And now I'm able to get around 20,000 or 30,000. Okay. As your fresher, just consider yourself as 10,000. Okay. Don't go more greedy. Just consider that you can earn 10,000 for doing this activity. If you are getting 3 to 4 clients like this, okay, you will just make 40,000, right? That is only an example, small client. Or else if you join a company, you will get good package also. Okay, even if you're working for a company, still you can handle these works. Okay, you have a lot of free time. Saturday, Sunday is free, and every day after 9 hours, your working hours will be 9 hours. After that, you are free. Just spend 1 hour for your clients. Okay, you can make extra money of 30,000 to 60,000 in the initial days. Earning is not a problem for you. The only thing is required is the commitment. How committed I am to the client, how committed I'm in delivering the results. Okay, if you are able to deliver the results to your clients, there is no need for you to work in any job. Okay, you yourself can start your own digital marketing agency. Okay, you can start your own agency and you can still earn more than a regular job. So how many of people are interested to earn more and to learn more? How many people are interested? Only Sindhu. So others are not interested for making money. Okay, good. Okay, then we'll conclude for today. Do you have anyone have any questions? Anyone have any doubts?